they have raped us through what they say is from the behind door, because the WHO only advised
Dengar tak suara jelas ke?
pandemic crisis in 2020, but our government still follow without concern of our civil liberty and our sovereignty. They are taking the power of the...
Ni cakap bahasa Inggeris ni disebabkan ni reporter daripada negara luar ya. Kalau dia reporter daripada negara dalam, kita cakap bahasa Melayu.
With advice on negligence in giving advice to Yanto under Article 40 of the Federal Constitution.
Media.
But today is very clear that after the COVID-19, the government still follow WHO by two important regulation and law. One is because of the mandatory vaccine under the scheme Saran Penjawat Awam, which already been enforced on the 1st December last year. Second, by the Parliament,